Hello viewers, welcome to HMS Desk. What are dental implants? Dental implants are metal posts or frames that are surgically positioned into the jawbone beneath your gums. Once in place, they allow your dentist to mount replacement teeth onto them. A dental implant is a surgical component that interfaces with the bone of the jaw or skull to support a dental prosthesis, such as a crown, bridge, denture, facial prosthesis, or to act as an orthodontic anchor. Dental implant surgery is a procedure that replaces tooth roots with metal, screw-like posts, and replaces damaged or missing teeth with artificial teeth that look and function much like real ones. Dental implant surgery can offer a welcome alternative to dentures or bridge work that doesn't fit well and can offer an option when a lack of natural teeth roots don't allow building denture or bridge work tooth replacements. How dental implant surgery is performed depends on the type of implant and the condition of your jawbone. Dental implant surgery may involve several procedures. How do dental implants work? Because implants fuse to your jawbone, they provide stable support for artificial teeth. Dentures and bridges mounted to implants won't slip or shift in your mouth, an especially important benefit when eating and speaking. This secure fit helps the dentures and bridges as well as individual crowns placed over implants feel more natural than conventional bridges or dentures. Is there a cheaper alternative to dental implants? What are dental bridges? A dental bridge is a cheaper alternative to dental implants, but it is not suitable for all situations. If you are not quite ready for dentures, you can consider the following. Resin-bonded bridge. This type has wings on each side of a false tooth. Dental implants cost in India. The expenses including for the entire travel for dental implants in India are very less compared to Western countries. The average dental implants range from $6,000 to $13,000 and depend on the hospital facilities. Why from HMSDESK.com? HMS Desk is trusted medical tourism company and a complete healthcare facilitator based in India. HMS Desk, an associate partner with the best dental surgeon and hospitals, which are providing world-class treatment at an affordable cost. India has emerged as a hub of highly skilled medical fraternity and internationally trained, experienced, and competent doctors. HMS Desk helps international as well as Indian patients to get treatment from the best doctors and hospitals. We make your medical travel easy, convenient, and cheaper without sacrificing the quality of services. Who will take care of all the functions? HMS Desk will help and take care with the arrangement of medical visas, to and fro airport service, accommodation, an appointment with the surgeon, lab tests, etc. Along with specialist consultations, clinical investigations and consultations at short notice. HMS Desk provide end-to-end services such as takes care of medical facilities and planning a vacation in India, rejuvenation, rehab facilities. Plan dental implants with HMS Desk. Email support@hmsdesk.com. Visit website hmsdesk.com.